Root over 18 into 192 power minus 1 by 3. Looks complicated, we need to simplify it. Let's do it. Here for this root, we can write power half. So, 18 power half into 192 power minus 1 by 3. We can write 2 into 9 for 18 and 64 into 3 for 192. So, 2 into 9 power half into 64 into 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. For 9 we can write 3 square, and for 64 we can write 2 power 6. So, 2 into 3 square whole power half into 2 power 6 into 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. If we multiply this powers with each other, we get 2 power half into 3 into 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1 by 3. Here, we get 2 2's and 2 3's but with different powers. As it's multiplication, we need to add the powers. So, 2 power half minus 2 into 3 power 1 minus 1 by 3, which equals to 2 power minus 3 by 2 into 3 power 2 by 3. As it's 2 power minus 3 by 2, we can write 3 power 2 by 3 divided by 2 power 3 by 2, equals to 3 square whole power 1 by 3 divided by 2 cube whole power half, which equals to 9 power 1 by 3 divided by 8 power half. So, finally we can write cubic root 9 divided by root over 8. And we got our answer.